Hello, today I'm in Honda HR-V. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable rear sprinklers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Simply twist the top part of the lever once upwards and hold to use rear sprinklers. You can also use rear sprinklers while using the rear wiper by twisting it downwards to on position and tilting it a little bit more. To disable it, simply let the lever go or set it to off position. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.